Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and I'm in the tomato and cucumber house. This is a row of cucumbers I planted uh, in spring, probably middle spring, still having frost, everything else. And we always grow our cucumbers indoor, but we usually grow them up and then down. And then we're doing growing replacements for them like every 3 weeks. And I think a lot of farmers do that. But because we're doing it on hook and wicket, and I wanted to see how long it would go. And this is the first planting. We're just about into August now. It's still growing. It doesn't seem to have any even inkling that it's going to stop growing and stop producing. So I think up until now we've probably gotten 5,000 cucumbers just in this 110 feet. So that's like $45 per row foot, which is way better than our average, which is closer to like $30, $35. And that's just on the one crop, not average throughout the year. So by the end, I mean, we could be maybe touching $100 a row foot. I don't know, it just doesn't seem to be stopping. It's just such an easy method. I mean, you can see a time lapse of me doing it, but it doesn't take me any more than 15 minutes to do the whole row, to just lower it. It's just so simple, so easy. I wish I'd been doing it for a long time. I've tried a lot of different methods, and this is just incredible how well it just, I mean, you can see, and the longer you go, the easier it gets, because you have like this mat that everything's just sitting on now, and the cucumbers are just laying on top of the mat of vines. So it just gets easier and easier and easier to do it. So I just wanted to show you it. It's just amazing. I'm still blown away by how well it works. I usually don't try a new system and it just being amazing, except for moving for like, you know, the clips system where you put clips on everywhere, to going to qlipr system, and maybe from soil blocks to wind strips. You know, this is up there, and just how game changing it is for our farm when it comes to cucumber production. All right, so thanks for watching. Until next time.